Thank you for purchasing the PowerPipe. Welcome to our installation demonstration. This short video will help you understand the PowerPipe technology and give you the instructions to install the unit in your home. The PowerPipe is designed to recycle heat energy from your shower drain water. As the hot waste water falls down a vertical section of drain pipe below your shower, it clings to the inner surface of the PowerPipe in a very thin film. The heat from this film is efficiently transferred to the incoming cold water circulating through multiple tubes wrapped around the drain pipe. This preheated cold water can then be plumbed to the cold water pipes in your home. The PowerPipe can be installed quickly by a professional plumber or by a do-it-yourselfer in just a few hours. For this installation, you will need the following supplies: your PowerPipe, 1 Fernco sleeve coupling, 1 Fernco ProFlex coupling, adjustable wrench, utility knife, hacksaw, flat file, nut driver or socket set, PEX tubing, and all necessary compression fittings for cold water plumbing. Please see PowerPipe packaging for details. To begin the installation, turn off the main water supply. Remind all occupants within the building to not flush toilets or drain water from tubs or sinks until the installation is complete. It's a good idea to flush all toilets once the water is turned off to avoid any accidental flushing. Locate a vertical section of drain pipe that is fed by your shower and ensure that it is the same diameter as the PowerPipe that you are installing. Remember, it is imperative that the PowerPipe be installed vertically to ensure maximum efficiency. Measure and mark 4 inches above the bottom of the drain pipe. This will be the bottom cut. Now mark the length of the PowerPipe along the drain stack starting from the bottom cut. This second marking will be the top cut. Using a hacksaw or a reciprocating saw, make cuts at the bottom cut and top cut markings. Ensure that your cuts are square to the drain stack. Remove this drain pipe section. At this point, it is important to remove any rough edges from the drain stack cuts. The PowerPipe works best with smooth, even joints between your drain stack and its inner drain pipe. Now wet the inside of the Fernco sleeve coupling and slide it over the bottom section of your drain pipe. Next, remove the ProFlex steel band. Wet the inside of the ProFlex coupling and slide the large side of the coupling over the top cut and onto the drain pipe. Then, loosen the band and put it back onto the ProFlex coupling. Push the PowerPipe up into the ProFlex coupling and tighten both bands. Move the bottom Fernco sleeve up onto the bottom of the PowerPipe, and then tighten clamps on both connectors. Now that your PowerPipe is successfully connected to your drain stack, it is time to plumb your cold water supply. There are several options to consider when doing this task. These options are: 1. Preheated water goes to all cold water supply for the house, including water heater. 2. Preheated water goes only to cold side of house and not to water heater. 3. Preheated water goes only to your water heater. For simplicity, option 1 will be demonstrated here. It is the most common and most efficient option available. Locate your cold water line and cut it before it enters the water heater. It will be necessary to drain all water before final assembly can be made. Connect the fresh water tube at the bottom of the PowerPipe to the cold water supply line you have just cut. Connect the fresh water tube at the top of the PowerPipe to the cold water pipe that feeds both your water heater and cold water piping in your house. It is extremely important to ensure that your cold water connections are done in the proper order. Refer to the installation manual that came with your PowerPipe for alternative plumbing options. Finally, turn on the main water valve and check the water system for leaks. Now you're ready to start saving money. We hope that this video gives you a strong understanding of PowerPipe installation. Thank you for choosing to save energy and money with the PowerPipe.